Hello friends, welcome to my channel Educational Support. I am Nowsin Are Banu. Today I will discuss the basic structure of human heart. I wish this video will help you to achieve your goals. So friends, please like, comment, subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos. First of all, I will discuss an introduction of human heart. The human heart is going to be a cone shape. Actually, it represents a conical muscular organ which pumps blood from heart to body via the circulatory system. Next, I will discuss position of heart. So, what is the position of heart of the thoracic cavity? As the heart is a powerful muscular pumping organ, so it is found in a thoracic cavity behind the sternum between your two lungs. Next, I will discuss the origin and mass of the heart. We know that the heart has been originated from the mesoderm layer and the mass of the heart is 250 to 350 grams. In case of male, it is 280 to 340 grams and in case of female, it is 230 to 280 grams. In the mediastinum, which is basically the central cavity of the thorax, 12 cm in length and 9 cm in breadth. Next, I will discuss the layers of heart. The layers of heart has 3 layers, that means epicardium, myocardium and pericardium. The epi means outer, myo means middle and endo means inner and the cardium means heart. So this diagram represents the layers of heart walls. Next, I will discuss the endocardium and myocardium and the pericardium. So heart and roots of great vessels which are enclosed by fibroserous sac is called the pericardium. Pericardium has 2 layers, outer fibrous layer and the inner serous layer. Inner serous layer has 2 reflected around a great vessel roots which is continuous with visceral layers of serous pericardium. That is covered the heart. The space between the parietal layer and the visceral layer is called the pericardial cavity. This figure shows the pericardial cavity. Next I discuss the myocardium. This is a myocardium. This space is called a myocardium. Myocardium means muscular tissue of heart. Myocardium is a tissue constituting walls of heart. It consists of cardiac muscle and muscle fiber. Cardiac muscle forming atria and ventricle walls and muscle fiber forming a pacemaker which is origin of cardiac impulse and also forming a conducting system which transmit impulse to various parts of hearts. Next, I discuss the endocardium. Endocardium which consists a single layer of endothelial cells, that is thin smooth membrane which is lining the myocardial internally. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching.